Hey guys, so here we are at Ozark Trails. This is the Little Sugar Trails. And right now we are here at Tweety Bird. I just took a tunnel vision, come around here to Tweety Bird and then back to get my car. So Tweety Bird is easy and it's only 1.7 miles. That'll be good for the unicycle. Okay guys, we're coming to the end of Tunnel Vision Trail and we're headed right towards Tweety Bird. I don't plan to do anything too crazy. This is my first time even being here. My second time on the track. Luckily this is rated easy. I got a mic on, but all I can say are these trails in Bentonville, Bella Vista are fantastic. I'm so lucky to have grown up around here. That's what's crazy. I was born and raised around here. Didn't find out until I got electric unicycles about 5 months ago. I started looking for a place to ride when I found out that Bentonville is the world's mountain bike capital. I can't believe that. Hell, I used to walk to school in Bentonville. Of course, that's not before Sam Walton, but that's before Walmart decided to spend $220 million on bicycle trails. I guess I'm never moving. Look, there's a Bigfoot. Just wait, guys. Next week I'll have the Lynx and an Insta 360 camera. Whoa! Phew. That's about right. Drop it right at the end. Well, thanks for watching. This was our quick trip around Tweety Bird, located in Bella Vista, Arkansas, around the Little Sugar Creek bike trails. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good one.